Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we break down all things Social Security to make your life easier. Today's topic is a common question. Can you get a temporary Social Security card at the office in 2025? Let's get straight to it and clear up any confusion. First, if you've ever lost your Social Security card, you know how important it is for jobs, taxes, and official ID. The Social Security Administration, SSA, handles millions of these requests every year. Now, the big question. Do they offer a temporary card? As of 2025, the SSA does not issue temporary Social Security cards. Instead, they provide a full replacement to ensure security and accuracy. Why no temporary option? It's all about preventing fraud and maintaining official records. But don't worry, the process for getting a replacement is straightforward and often quick. You can apply online via the SSA's website, which is the most convenient method, or visit your local Social Security office in person. Either way, you'll need to provide key documents like proof of identity, such as a passport or driver's license, proof of U.S. citizenship or immigration status, and possibly your old card if you have it. Processing times vary. Online applications might take just 7 to 10 business days, while in-person visits could be similar or a bit longer depending on your location. And the best part? There's no fee if your card was lost, stolen, or damaged. If you're in a hurry, some employers or services might accept other forms of ID temporarily, like a state ID or birth certificate. Remember, policies can change, so always double-check the official SSA website or call ahead for the latest 2025 updates. In the meantime, keep your card safe in a secure spot to avoid the hassle. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have other Social Security questions. See you next time.